Eskom maintenance to cause 9-hour power outage in Gauteng. Eskom maintenance will result in a 9-hour power outage in parts of Gauteng. The power utility will do the maintenance on Tuesday, February 6. Eskom said there will be electricity supply disruption in Evaton due to maintenance that will be conducted on the distribution network. The power outage will affect customers in Evaton Central on Tuesday, February 6 from 9 to 1800 hours. The interruption of electricity is necessary to perform essential maintenance on our distribution power lines, the power utility said. Eskom said in the interest of safety, customers should treat all electrical appliances as live at all times during the power outage. Eskom apologizes for any inconvenience that may be caused by this maintenance. Should circumstances beyond the control of Eskom arise, the planned electricity maintenance may not proceed as communicated, the power utility added. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.